All the best.
President kan National People's Party ke Jela bat simbut Menteri Rangba ba Prestone Tensong ulapan pawe ke Sngewskhem bagi NPP kan job na baro artli ki constituency ke Jela ke Shillong bat Tura parliamentary seat haka election Lok Sabha banwan. Habaya keren bagi nong tok kubor hanya kasih tok ding ulang bagi NPP kela nang klan kat badang mi kisngi dak ke jingwan penyesok jeng ki babun ki nong yalam na kiwe ki seng san pertai. Ulang bagi dang dan bun ru ki bansawan penyesok no shen syaga parti. Ba Prestone ulah kam bagi nong yalam jeng kiwe ki parti kilai i ke Sngewskhem jong unang yalam ke parti bagi kam penroy belawan ra ke sarkar MDA 1 ban MDA 2 ke badega dawba ke bakringe ki banwan nyesok no syaga yang ke sem jong ke NPP.
Only that they entering to each every household to explain people that please vote for the NPP this time.
So do you think there is anti-incumbency against MDA 2 government in the state?
People are joining us every day. Why they do that? Why they do that? Because they have seen it not only MDA 1 but MDA 2. A matter of 1 year, we have seen a lot of changes, a lot of focus we made for the interest of the state as a whole. So therefore, lot of leaders, irrespective of which denomination you are, which party you are, but they keep joining us. So you understand that NPP is growing day by day. So one is the development, and number two, they have seen that the leadership is stable in the party of NPP, and we don't have any misunderstanding among the party leaders. We are one. NPP we used to call, we don't call political party, we used to call NPP family. So that's why people, they really love party NPP because of this quality we have.